Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by verifying credentials and matching software. Install the Mysql ODB driver that matches Excel's 32 or 64-bit build. This is essential because a mismatch prevents connection. Once done, test network reachability to the Mysql host and ensure port 3306 is open and the server allows your client IP. You'll save time by creating and storing a secure DSN now, which Excel will reference. This reduces configuration steps later and clarifies where to troubleshoot if it fails. You now create the connection entry that Excel uses. Open the ODB Data Source Administrator, add a system DSN, pick the Mysql connector/ODB driver, and enter host, port, database, user, and password. Click Test to confirm it authenticates. Then in Excel use, get data from other sources from ODB, choose the DSN, and pick your table or write a custom SQL query. Make sure to set authentication persistence, and choose import versus connection only depending on if you need live refreshes. Finish by importing data properly and configuring refresh behavior. In the load dialog, pick table or connection only, enable refresh on open or background refresh for automation. Use native SQL when complex joins or filters are needed, and limit rows to keep Excel responsive. If problems occur, first verify DSN bitness matches Excel, confirm firewall and port access, and ensure the Mysql user has select rights. Finally, test the same credentials with the MySQL client to separate server issues from Excel settings before changing configuration.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.